Delhi police has formed 3 teams in baby care center fire incident case. The team of Delhi police was sent to owner of baby care hospital Naveen Kichi's house in Paschim Vihar. According to sources, when police reached, Naveen Kichi was not found at home. So right now what we see, viewers, are back-to-back details which have emerged. Now, this is a very unfortunate incident which has come out in the front. Delhi fire tragedy has led to the death of 7 children. Very, very shocking. The hospital owner is on the run. The hospital owner is on the run right now. And what we can tell you, viewers, is that Delhi police has formed 3 teams to crack this case. I just want to go to Akil. Akil, a team of Delhi police was sent to the owner of baby care hospital, Naveen Kichi's house in Paschim Vihar, Akil. And it looks like the owner is on the run. He is not at home. So the question, of course, would be, where is the owner of the hospital which caught fire and led to the death, unfortunately, of small babies?
Well, if you see the latest update that we are getting from the police team is they have formed 3 different teams in this case. Because if you see the entire sequence of the event, when that incident took place last night around 11:30 p.m. Since then, what we have been learning that Naveen Kichi, who is the owner of this very premises, is still at large. He is not at his home. The Delhi police team have sent one teams, because 3 teams have been formed in this case to solve this mystery. But when the Delhi police team arrived at Naveen Kichi's house in Paschim Vihar, Bhairon enclave, they didn't found Naveen Kichi's over there. But the latest update that we are getting at this moment is that Delhi LG has asked Chief Secretary to institute an inquiry into this tragic incident that took place last night. Because if you see what has happened, that 12 infants were there when that incident took place. And when the police team arrived over here, Delhi fire service team, DFS team arrived over here, neighbors who live just next door to this very place where that oxygen cylinder blast took place. While we were speaking to those neighbors, they are saying that they have heard a large crackling sound, and that sound was so effective and so deep that it has affected the doors, the window panes of several buildings that is just next to you. I would like to request my VJ to pan and show you the visual of those buildings who's just adjacent to the building, to the hospital where that incident took place. If you see, this is one is the first building, second building and third building. So when we went inside the third building, there you can see the window shields. All those window shields, the glasses were broken over there, and 2 to 3 cars were parked over there. I would like to move forward and show you the visuals of that incident, when that incident took place at that time. If you see the cars over here, if you see the shield of this car, here it's already broken, and I would like to move forward and show you the visual of this very place. So if you see around this place, or what you will find that several cars, approximately 5 to 6 cars was damaged. The window shields of several houses, the pressure was such intense that the lock door got opened. And when we spoke to some of the residents over here towards my right, if you will see, so one cylinder has got thrown from that side towards this side, approximately 60-meter distance, and another cylinder was thrown from the point where that incident took place towards my left for approximately 100 meters. So the blast was heard very loud and clear by the neighbors at this very point of time. Yes.
Right. Akil is getting us top updates coming in right now on Republic. Akil has also spoken to the eyewitnesses in this case. Remember that Delhi police has registered an FIR against Naveen, who is the owner of Baby Care New Hospital. The owner is absconding. I just want to go across to these reactions that we are getting for our viewers as we track this story.
घर के दरवाजे मेन गेट के सारे फट गए हैं, बिल्कुल सारे मिरर्स घर के टूट गए हैं। बाहर गाड़ियां खड़ी हैं, उनकी सनरूफ विंडशील्ड सब टूट गई हैं। इतना ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट था, हमने पहली बार देखा है कि इतना तेज किसी सिलेंडर फटने का इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है, हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था।
अच्छा, हम जैसा कि यहाँ पे देख भी पा रहे हैं, एक और जो यहाँ पे आपका विंडो है पैन, वो विंडो पैन में एक विंडो पैन में शीशा बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा दिख रहा है मुझे, और दूसरा विंडो पैन का जो वो है शीशा वो टूट चुका है बिल्कुल इस तरह से।
टूट गया,
राइट। तो ये इस पे
अपने ऊपर का पूरा शीशा टूट गया, सब यही गिरे हैं।
अच्छा,
ये भी टूटा हुआ घर के दरवाजे मेन गेट के सारे फट गए हैं, बिल्कुल सारे मिरर्स घर के टूट गए हैं। बाहर गाड़ियां खड़ी हैं, उनकी सनरूफ विंडशील्ड सब टूट गई हैं। इतना ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट था, हमने पहली बार देखा है कि इतना तेज किसी सिलेंडर फटने का इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है, हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था।
अच्छा, हम जैसा कि यहाँ पे देख भी पा रहे हैं, एक और जो यहाँ पे आपका विंडो है पैन, वो विंडो पैन में एक विंडो पैन में शीशा बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा दिख रहा है मुझे, और दूसरा विंडो पैन का जो वो है शीशा वो टूट चुका है बिल्कुल इस तरह से।
टूट गया,
राइट। तो ये इस पे
अपने ऊपर का पूरा शीशा टूट गया, सब यही गिरे हैं।
अच्छा,
ये भी टूटा हुआ